Hello and welcome to Topic 5, Creating Augmented Reality Experiences. In this topic, I will provide a tutorial for creating augmented reality experiences yourself for STEM education. Let's go. To demonstrate how easy it is to create an augmented reality experience yourself, we will demonstrate the CoSpaces Edu platform, which we have talked about before. It works directly in the browser and allows you to create very interactive augmented reality applications, and not only for the joy of your learners. In this tutorial, we will create an augmented reality based application for teaching students how to recognize computer parts and how to assemble them. First, we will create in CoSpaces an empty scene with 3D environment. We will position the camera so that the user faces the educational content when starting the application. Next, we add the avatar of the teacher to the environment. We give the character a name and activate it to be used later in the coding section. Next, we upload the 3D models of the computer parts: CPU, GPU, motherboard, and so on. We had these 3D models already prepared on our computer when we started to create the augmented reality application, but CoSpaces has a lot of 3D models already built in the platform, which you can use immediately. Once the 3D models have been uploaded, it's time to place them in the environment. We need to be sure they have the proper size and arrangement before proceeding further. You see how easy it is to resize and rotate the 3D models. Once this is ready, we activate them in order to be used in the coding section named CoBlocks. Finally, it's time to create interactivity. In the CoBlocks section, we just drag and drop the actions that need to happen. For example, when the motherboard is clicked, we want a quiz panel to show up, asking the user to recognize this PC component. We give the user several wrong answers and, of course, the right one to choose from. Next, we duplicate the quiz and perform the same routine for all the other PC components. In the end, we create a transition to the next scene by asking the learners if they want to see the PC completely assembled. We can also create animations for the avatar of the teacher and make it talk to us as a way of guiding the learner. On hitting play in the top right corner, we can preview how the application will work in this scene. Nothing happens when the users click that they want to see the PC assembled. This is because scene number 2 needs to be created, which we are doing right now. Here we now add the 3D model of the full PC. And we link the first scene to the second one. Our augmented reality application is ready. Let's see how the application looks like when running it in augmented reality mode on the smartphone. From the bottom right corner of the smartphone app, we need to open the augmented reality mode. The application requires us to scan our real environment and find an horizontal area to place the virtual objects. Now we can click on the PC components and answer the quiz. Also, we can get closer to some of the 3D models and examine them further. Once we confirm that we want to see all the components assembled, we are seamlessly teleported to the second scene where we can examine the full PC from all of its angles. Congratulations! Now you know how to create your own augmented reality experience for STEM education. You just finalized the whole augmented reality module. I hope you enjoyed it.